welcome to my studio. You caught me working on my latest picture book. You know, things weren't always this good. Once, I was more like you'd expect an artist to be. Then I went to the Children's Literature Conference. I learned from the teachers there and even found an agent. This led to multiple book deals.
Life is good.
You know what happens if you don't go? Nothing. But if you would be part of WIFYR, We Happy Few, you could do worse than surround yourself with others who care about children's literature as much as you do. I'll see you there.